Alright, so tonight I'm going to be making a very fast, very easy pizza dough. And here's what we need. I've got 1 cup of water, 105 degrees Fahrenheit. To that, I'm going to add a teaspoon and about 1/4 of instant yeast. I'm also going to add in 2 teaspoons of sugar because the sugar is what the yeast feeds on. Okay, so it's food for the yeast. I'm also going to put in a little bit of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. To that I'm going to add a cup of all-purpose flour. So at this point we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour in there. That's good. I'm going to put it on speed number 1. I'm just going to get this starting to go here. Just want to mix this up. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of regular vegetable oil. There's 1 and there's 2. I'll add in our 2nd cup of flour. And now I'm going to start mixing this. It's been going for about 30 seconds or so. I am going to put in cup number 3 of flour. And I will let the KitchenAid mixer do its magic. And there we have it. Perfect pizza dough. There we go. Beautiful dough. This needs to rise. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split it up right now into my balls, the size that I want. I measure them out by weight, and then they go into the fridge, and I let them ferment overnight in the cold fridge. Slow, cold ferment. And by tomorrow, all of the flavors, everything in the yeast, it really comes out and you have a beautiful, beautiful pizza dough. Alright, so what I've done is I've just split these up. I started off by eye and then I just measured them out. So now I've got 392 grams, 391, accurate enough to the gram. There we go. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to grab a bowl and I'm just going to spray it with some Pam cooking spray. So I'll do that over here. Just like that. Grab your dough from underneath, fold it over. There we go. Shape it. Just like that. Pop it in. Now spray the top. There we go. And now just repeat the process for your next one. So I've got another container here. There we go. I'll just push down. So now the question that you're asking yourself is, can I use this dough tonight? Yes, just let it sit and rest for a good hour, and then you can actually roll it out and use it the same night. There you go. I just like letting it sit in the fridge overnight because the flavors are just that much better. So there we go. I just need to spray the top of that one. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover these with plastic wrap. I'm going to pop them in the fridge and I'm going to let them rest overnight. At the end of this video, what I will do is I will put a link to a new video where I'm actually going to be making pizza with either one of these dough balls, and I'll make a nice pizza and I'll show you how that's done. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.